So, Dana, smoker's cough. How long have you been smoking truly?
Is that why you're smoking? Is that what y'all are talking about? Her coughing?
Mm-hmm. And her
I
laugh.
was wondering what came up to this conversation.
No, because she was laughing and she's like, I can't even do it. I can't even do it.
She starts laughing all of a sudden she's coughing.
She does it each and every time.
And it sounds like a smoker's cough.
I don't know why.
Sure.
Maybe because you've been
I
smoking.
grew up with Dad smoking. Here we go. It's always somebody else's fault. And it's always Mama's fault.
So, how does it feel to have a best friend who's smoked all her life and you don't know it?
I'm her daughter.
Really, really hard. Oh my goodness. I'm trying to trying to make me throw up.
This is a very surreal moment for everyone.
Oh man.
I'm her daughter. And
You should ask
How does
her.
it feel for you? All your life. I know.
Could you?
Now that you know, can you recall any signs? Any signs of this?
Yeah, she's always disappeared. We never knew where she was. Everybody was going around saying, where's Dana go? And that's the truth. Where's Dana?
Can we have a confession, Dana? That's all we want is a confession.
Not smoking.
You're not smoking?
What are you doing?
You said, not smoking. And I heard something else you were doing. Exactly.
Bit of that Mary Joanna.
Yeah, I'm dipping that.
Dipping that? Dana, you don't dip marijuana.
She's definitely not doing that.
Now we know she's not doing weed. We can go ahead and narrow that down.
Take it off the list.
Dipping weed. Dana, you dip tobacco.
I know. I did that on purpose. Just to get a laugh.
Right. She did just to get a laugh.
Right.
And there's another smoker's cough.
I don't know why I do that.
Just
Mom does it.
Did your grandma do that? But of course you just blame it on her mommy.
And this has been a tragic story. The Dana story.